Attorney at law in USA. An attorney at law or counselor at law in the United States is a practitioner in a court of law who is legally qualified to prosecute and defend actions in court on the retainer of clients. As of January 1, 223, there were 13,31,290 active lawyers in the United States. In terms of absolute numbers, the American legal profession was the largest uh, in the world as of 215, and it is thought to be the largest in the world in proportion to domestic population. A 2012 survey conducted by LexisNexis Martindale-Hubbell determined 58 million consumers in the US sought an attorney in the last year, and that 76% of consumers used the internet to search for an attorney. The United States legal system does not draw a distinction between lawyers who plead in court and those who do not, unlike some other common law jurisdictions. For example, jurisdictions in the United Kingdom distinguish between solicitors who do not plead in court and barristers who do likewise. Civil law jurisdictions distinguish between advocates and civil law notaries. An additional factor that differentiates the American legal system from other countries is that there is no delegation of routine work to notaries public. Attorneys may be addressed by the most nominal letters, the abbreviated form of the word square. Specialization aid. Many American attorneys limit their practices to specialized field of law. Often distinctions are drawn between different types of attorneys, but the exception of patent law practice. These are neither fixed nor formal lines. Attorneys can be both outside of in-house counsel, doing plaintiff or defendant representation, having transactional or litigation practice, and having trial or appellate litigation specialties. Despite these descriptions, some states forbid or discourage claims of specialization in particular areas of law unless the attorney has been certified by their state bar or state board of legal specialization. Some states grant formal certifications recognizing specialties. In California, for example, bar certification is offered in family law, appellate practice, criminal law, bankruptcy, estate planning, immigration, taxation, and workers' compensation. Any attorney meeting the bar requirements in one of these fields may represent themselves as a specialist. The State Bar of Texas, for example, formally grants certification of specialization in 21 select areas of law. The majority of lawyers practicing in a particular field may typically not be certified as specialists in that field, and state board certification is not generally required to practice law in any field. For example, the State Bar of Texas, as of mid 206, reported 77 and 56% licensed as attorneys in that state, excluding inactive members of the bar, while the Texas Board of Legal Specialization reported at about the same time only 803 Texas attorneys who were board certified in any specialty. Indeed, of the 800 8,303 certified specialists in Texas, the highest number of attorneys certified in one specific field at that time was 1,775 in personal injury trial law, Specialization in patent law is administered by the Office of Enrollment and Discipline of the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, which imposes stringent requirements for applicants to become registered as patent attorneys or patent agents.